don't lick my jeans. Hello. Hi. Did you like the basil on your chicken? I sprinkled a little basil on it. Did you like that? A little full flavoring. Lola. Hey. Lola. Ugh, such manners. Hello. Hi. Is that yummy? You can have a cookie for dessert. I have cookies in the oven. Lola. Woohoo. Doctor said you're 27 pounds now. You gained 3 pounds. Cookies are going to be on hold, okay? We'll freeze them, and then after you exercise some more, you can have them again. So what do you think about that? Hmm? What do you think about that? We'll put the cookies on hold for a while. Maybe freeze the batch that we just made you. And then after you slim down a bit, lose a couple pounds, you can have your cookies again. What do you think? What do you think about that, Lola? Hello? I'm talking to you. Look at me. It's rude. Hey. Lola, are you mad that you can't have cookies anymore? Oh, maybe you can have one a day. Maybe one cookie. What do you think about that? Oh. Sit. You had chicken, baked chicken with nothing on it, plain, with your kibble. That way you're on your diet. So how did you like your new diet meal, Lola? Woohoo. Really? Is that how much you liked it? Okay. Lola, at least that was dainty. At least you were dainty. Huh? Hey, woohoo. Lola, what say you?